What's going on, guys? This is Ali. This is part 4 of this video tutorial. In last tutorial we have learned that how to use JavaScript in Telerik UI. We have created some JavaScript functions. In this tutorial we will learn how to fill data grid by clicking the list items like this. Okay, so let's start. To achieve this we need to create a JavaScript function. Open up the index page under the home folder. And create a JavaScript function here in script section. Get employee filter. Copy this function name from here and paste it right here. States from change the name. Copy the name of date picker and paste it right here. Change states to we will return the filter. Okay, now open the invoice view under the invoice folder. We need to add more properties. Copy and paste the name of the function that we have just created here. Get employee filter, and after this we need to add one more properties, which is auto bind. Auto bind false. Now we will create another JavaScript function in index view, which is the main page of our project. Refresh grid. This will refresh the grid on every click. Employee sales we will invoke the read method. So go back to the index view of invoices and copy the name of data grid and paste it right here. window grade employee sale dot data source dot read. Okay, now copy this function name and paste it within another function which is on criteria chain. Okay, now we need to modify the controller. Go to the solution explorer and controller folder, open the invoices controller. Salesperson date time states from date time states to. We will use entity framework to feed data from database. Salesperson equal to this salesperson is greater than or equal to states from and inv dot order date less or equal to states to sorry, this is not data table, this is date time, so sorry for this, just change it. Now save the changes and run the project. It's working perfectly. When you click any item in the list view, this will display all the data related to that employee. Okay, Janet, Margaret. Okay, if you notice, you can't still filter the record and the date picker are still not working. So this is very easy. We have already created function and we need to invoke that function on date change. To do this, in date picker we will use events method to call the JavaScript function change. So we will paste the criteria change method. Let's copy this method from here and paste it here. Copy this line of code from here and paste it in the states to date picker. Okay, save the changes and refresh the page. Now I want to display 1 year record for Nancy. To do this, select 96 December 31st. Okay, this will display 1 year record for Nancy. Okay, that's it for today guys. In next tutorial we will learn how to create charts and fill charts for every selected employee. So watch the next tutorial and please rate, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.